If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue with your Boost mobile service, follow these simple steps to resolve it. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your Boost mobile account is active and in good standing. Log into your account online or through the Boost mobile app to verify that there are no outstanding payment or issues. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your phone completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the connection. Step 3. Update your device settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer service. If the problem persists, reach out to Boost Mobile customer service for assistance. You can call them or use their online chat service to explain your situation and get help with resolving the transfer pending status. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. If you recently initiated a transfer, it may take some time to process. Be patient and check back after a few hours. If it still shows as pending after a reasonable time, follow up with customer service again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue on your Boost mobile account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.